ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Video yung katanya Pak.
Kinong tray jong katanat Shillong Municipal Board minta ka sengi ka arterik ubenai nok pra arjar arpuai kila shuya shong that sengi ha pelau jong kani ka office kani ka jingya shong that sengi jong kinong tray ka municipal ka dai namar bakadang don ka jingya khi jong ki na ka daw ka jing bamyo tulop minta la saw benai kenti hado bapenmi ya kani ka khubor kinong elam jong ka Shillong Municipal Employee Association kidang lech sa secretariat banya kendo yo menteri katanat penroisor basnya bahalang dhar manyakren halor gani kamat badlada jia ba kajing yakren hapdeng jongki bat ka sarkar kam saiso kajing yakhi jongki kandang yai peteng